Yes. But emeritus ideally means retired. Chief Justice Emeritus Kinani Maraga.
David Maraga.
Yes. Of course, he announced his bid for presidency.
Ni araugire nake githurano gĩũku nĩ agũkorwo akĩhĩtahĩtanĩra gĩtĩ gĩa president.
Nĩ araigua na kaũndũ wa gũtwatha.
Na mwĩto wa gũtongoria bũrũri ũyũ.
Gĩtigo president kagĩa thama.
Nĩ ithuathaga.
And well, you see, those of us who know how to place the odds, I am not saying he can't be president. I'm just saying the odds and the political temperature.
You see, again, he is a newcomer in politics.
Yes.
He has not been in politics before.
He has largely been in very disciplined, environment. Chief Justice.
Mawatho na magoti.
Yes. Never mind, Chief Justice is not a mean feat.
It's not.
You see, the judiciary is an arm of government. Because it's called that too. There is, of course, the executive led by the president. The legislature by the bicameral parliament na twina riu the judiciary koguo ari mutongoria wa ruhonge ruima rwake
rwage thirikari.
So by all standards he is fit to become president.
He has what it takes.
Yes. He has the qualifications and the razzmatazz of a presidential material. Na githomo akiri onakio
tondu na gwituika chief justice no ragibatara ukorwo tu agite buku.
Yes. Digwa ciria CV yake na hobbies.
Neumire kou tene kwa hobbies.
Ungiona alikete ati socializing
na reading novels.
Na tuari
na swimming
na playing pool na nyamwengi andu othe aruongo mandikagirwe they don't know what it is. Bowling.
I have no idea.
Bowling ni rufira ruhoro ikagio ciara ugaikia hua gathiro guthite ngi haria mbere
yo mandikagirwo ni andu a cyber
we ba copy paste agiro bora inyothe mwina hobby imwe tondu angietha input yaku ndio kumwira gukama gutuira
na kurema
ragotua majani. So when it comes to CJ Maraga's resume, tondu TCV neifuku. Yes, we can tell you that can go up to even several hundred pages. Yes. Tiga isito cia kwirwo nene ya fonti sigire turatasi toto
tuguhiana nene ya fonti
aya paragraph ya mbere ruga laini ciga
spacer.
But now, that is on the academia and the qualifications that is prescribed by the Constitution. The political bit is where the rubber meets
tarmac.
Yes. It's where the rubber meets the road. Yes. I don't know if it's Firestone card, Michelin mine logo. Yes. Heka unaroki nako. Na ntuenda kumutara from a very layman's
point.
Yes.
Sisi kama wananchi wa kawaida.
Yes. Wa Afrika, wa Saledo. CJ David Kinani Maraga. Ni araugire atiri
ex CJ.
Yes. Ex reformer. Important to add that. Andu arĩa matari reformer ni title cia military. Once a general, always
a general.
Yes. Ni araugire atiri weli ndegwe tungumania getha mbeca cia kambeini. Akenya arĩa mamwendete ri nio mekuimbĩrĩria kĩondo gĩake
ya kambeini.
He said that. Kaita voini. Eka mimi karioka mimi.
Ikasema
sisi
tukakuabiria pesa.
Tukakupea pesa ya campaign.
Sisi wa Kenya.
Na ni wewe unatafuta kazi.
Tukutafutie pesa.
You see, it happens in the developed democracies. According to USA, Barack Hussein Obama, Donald Trump, the likes of Senator McCain, George Bush, they had campaign secretariats. And wakorado ni maracaga literally.
Maracaga bia ciao.
Yes.
Eketeti yokune. Gukuni gukwamba kurituhe mwana Jesu. Ni ndocio ni muritu.
Okoro to kwiro ria ng'ang'aguaga. Okuwe Chief Justice, okuwe kiongozi, usimame, alafu tukupatie pesa, hatukupatie pesa yetu. Hai bajia tukete campaign. Fellow Kenyans, I told you I'm going to be vying for office of the president. And today I am here in Maraga. And I want to call upon the person who has endorsed me here. The person, the former Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. I am going to be running against the likes of the incumbent. I'm going to be running against my village mates. I am not allied to any movement. I am not allied to the movement of the wheelbarrow. I am not allied to the people of the years. I am not allied to the Jubilee. I am coming as a people's president. So I will call people of Maraga. I will call upon the person who brought me here to do the exercise.
Atigirokio ndau na sturu. Ya hiyo. Hii ni gumu. Ni gumu.
Ago kwa mwa ni toba ngori.
Kundu turatanya muoyo.
Na warie woto. I'm very excited to be here because actually the Kenyans that support my presidential bid as David Ginani Maraga, those who have said I will become president of this country, they have decided to honor me with 2 billion shillings for my campaign. Where will scare wapi?
Ulisikia wapi? Nani alikwambia?
Nisiwe nwabe watofange, tugeciria kanto udhu. Ulisikia wapi?
Kabiwa na nani?
I'm very excited. I was in Kiambu. The people there, they supported me with 20 million. I am hoping to go to Kisumu, where they will also support my presidential bid as Kenani Maraga, former Chief Justice, to become president, so that I can become the people's made president. Ndio ali amena idosi yao le. Kasong le. Na matiang zile. Para Aza huyu Mungu gwani ajui Wakenya ni kina nani bwana. Sasa tumeongoza miaka mingi. Huyu ni kama alifikiria vile alitupia nje ushindi yetu.
Kumelia saji yake waja.
I'm going to call upon even the people who are supporting me. Jambo. You've justice. Hiyo line umechukua iwezi.
Hiyo umenoa.
Iwe aturi. Mtu mwingine anakuja hapa kusema tumpe pesa ya kampeni chance.
Naweka chono.
Kama una pesa kusimama president, simama MCA. Chance sana. No, I look forward to the day when the Kenani Maraga says, I would try to announce that my campaign secretariat has enough money to run the presidential campaign. We have donations of helicopters from our partners. Teroko Mama Mbogas and the village people have each blessed me, and the Bota people, they have blessed me with a lot of money. Now I have 2.6 billion, which we will use for our countrywide campaign in our bid to capture the presidency and redeem this nation.
Florio Kanogi. Ai. Hau rĩ.
Ona tiga president. Ona Guno the village boy ni ageri.
MCA witũ wa Kĩru.
Ni ageri wetia andũ rũgongo. Kana that good friend of ours wa kũrĩa Kenyinyo-inĩ. Wa City.
Wa City. Grey City.
Ai. Ndoka kumioya pesa cia kumuathakira.
Kwenda bebe.
Kwenda kabisa. Let's see how that plays out.
We will not promise him a lot.
Well, we just there's free advice. Yes.
Sisi kama wa Kenya. Sio wenye nchi, ni wananchi.
Sisi ni wananchi. Iwasare
do. We wish him well.
All the best. No, he's one of the finest brains we have in the country. That one is not in contest.
How again?
Yes.
That is not disputable. Siasa ri.
Politically correct.
Siasa na haki ondo muthuri. Letha 10 na 50.